These two English words sound the same, but their meanings are completely different. Word 1. See. See means dekhna. Example, I can see the sky. Word 2. Sea. Sea means samundar. Example, the sea is very deep. Word 1. Peace. Peace means shanti. Example, we all want peace. Word 2. Piece. Piece means tukda. Example, give me a piece of cake. Word 1. Plain. Plain means sadran ya maidan. Example, this dress is plain. Word 2. Plane. Plane means Hawai Jahaz. Example, the plane is flying high. Word 1. Sun. Sun means Suraj. Example, the sun is very bright. Word 2. Son. Son means beta. Example, he is my son. Word 1. Whole. Whole means pura. Example, I ate the whole apple. Word 2. Hole. Hole means ched. Example, there is a hole in the wall. Word 1. Check. Check means जांच करना. Example, please check your answer. Word 2. Check. Check means bank check. Example, I paid by check. Word 1. Knight. Knight means yodha. Example, the knight was brave. Word 2. Night. Night means raat. Example, good night everyone. Word 1. Mail. Mail means email ya duck. Example, I sent you a mail. Word 2. Male. Male means purush. Example, he is a male teacher. Word 1. Mole. Mole means til. Example, she has a mole on her face. Word 2. Mall. Mall means shopping mall. Example, let's go to the mall. Word 1. Flour. Flour means atta. Example, flour is used to make bread. Word 2. Flower. Flower